A day after former President Donald Trump entered a not guilty plea during his historic arraignment on 34 felony counts of falsifying business records, New York prosecutors now confront the heavy burden of proving that Trump knowingly tried to cover up a crime by hiding hush money payments to two women before the 2016 election. At a news conference, Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg told reporters Trump falsified records as part of a scheme to violate state and federal election laws. George Washington University law professor Catherine Ross said the charges will send prosecutors into uncharted waters.
One of the rockier, grayer areas of this case is whether the state of New York can rely on a federal crime that the federal government has not prosecuted in order to show that there was a crime associated with the falsehood in the business records. And so what I think Bragg has done well is to build a multi-layered indictment that if a court says you cannot rely on the federal crimes, we also have New York State crimes. And there should be no doubt that New York State can link the business records violations to its own crimes and does not need to prosecute those crimes if it can provide evidence of the intent to commit the crimes. The crimes do not have to be completed if the business records falsehoods were created in order to try to accomplish a crime.
After the arraignment, Trump's lawyers positioned themselves in front of cameras, seeking to downplay the strength of the case against Trump. But Ross says the case may not be as weak as they portray.
They were just blowing air, is the most polite way I can put it, because they have really nothing on the law or the facts to rely on. They did not push back. They said, we knew a lot of these facts. Well, they're his lawyers. They said it's all one charge, multiple dates, multiple documents. Another way of looking at that is it's a pattern and practice of criminal behavior. And yes, they should be very concerned.
While Trump could have a tough court fight, he appeared to have a slim majority of the public on his side, at least when it comes to his view that the prosecution is political. A Reuters Ipsos poll released Monday found 51% of Americans, including 80% of Republicans, said they believe the charges are politically motivated.